Make 2,500 a week, make 10,000 a month, make 15,000 a month. You see ads all over YouTube and the internet for ways you can make money. You'll be a millionaire in a year or two. Well, today I want to take some time and talk to y'all about my opinion on these subjects. If you like my opinions and want to support this channel, please take time and push that like and subscribe button. Now, my opinion on most of these make $12,000 a month or make $100. You know, there's things that they are not telling you. They are telling you what you want to hear to watch the videos. Therefore, they are making money because they're telling you what you want to hear. And as long as they tell you what you want to hear, you're going to watch the videos and try to figure out how you can make whatever crazy amount it is. I know, I fall in this trap all the time, daydream about how it'd be to make that kind of money. It'd be nice. Now, I'm not saying that it can't be done, and I'm not saying they're not doing it. But I am saying that I think there's a lot more to it than they tell you. And that's why I encourage people. You know, I'm not trying to bust nobody's dream. I'm not telling you, not to listen to these people. I just want you to think about what they're saying and really think about the potential of the outcomes and if it really does sound like something legit, because I guarantee it's like any job. I don't care what job you start. Anytime you get a job, there's going to be things about that job you find out about that you never knew about, never thought about, that you don't like. Because there's no perfect job. And I mean, that's just a fact of life. So that ain't saying, well, not to do one job or not to do that job or this job, It's just a matter of what people are putting up with for what they get paid. And how much are you willing to put up with for how much you're getting paid or making. And if it's a service job, like a waitress or waiter, are you tipping them or getting tipped enough for your service? Now, I really don't want to get started on the tip idea because I think the whole tipping is totally absurd. Like I say, I understand waitresses and waiters and jobs like that get paid most of their salary or most of their money on tips. And I do understand that type of job is what the tip if they do their job. But when you go to say you go to a convenience store to buy a candy bar and soda, and then they ask on the machine, do you want to put a tip? Why would I put a tip on there? What did you do to deserve a tip? I mean, yeah, like I said, I'm not going to really jump into my thoughts on the whole tipping idea because I just think that that everybody's trying to ask for a tip nowadays, and I don't think 90% of the people that ask for tips should be. You know, again, if you're a waiter, or maybe if you're like a delivery person, yeah, you deserve tips. You know, you might be out there in the rain or in the cold, or you know. So yeah, I understand tipping on them type of jobs, but again, I'm gonna jump off that rant and get back to these videos that say that you can make money doing this or money doing that. Well, if they're making that much money, why are they making videos to tell you how to do it? That is a good question, right? Because they wanna help people who do the same thing they're doing to make money, right? I don't think so. I mean, I'm not saying everybody's bad out there and what, but the majority of the people are making videos, again, telling us, me included, what we want to hear to keep us watching the videos, and longer we watch the videos, because that's the whole thing of YouTube. You know, one of the things about YouTube, the longer you watch the video, the more that video gets paid for, the person that made it. So they're making the money, and they're telling us what we want to hear, what they think we want to hear to keep us watching the videos. So I just really encourage y'all to think about all this when you see these videos. It's like all these, you know, here's another one I've been seeing, stimulus checks last probably 2 or 3 months. I don't know how many different amount of stimulus checks I've seen saying that are going to be sent out. I've seen anywhere from 900, 1,200, 2,200, 4,400, and it's all basically a scam to get you to watch the videos. It's called clickbait. There's a lot of companies, a lot of videos on here, on YouTube, that put up misleading titles of the videos to watch it. How many videos have you watched where the title will say one thing, but then you watch the video and ain't nothing about what that title said? That's called clickbait. And, you know, I know we have to be creative when we're making these what we call thumbnails or titles for videos. I understand that, because that's how you decide to watch the video or not, if it's interesting or not. But when it says one thing and then you watch the video and it don't say nothing about it, that's clickbait. And I for one, wish these companies would do something about them people putting that stuff up. And not only say, you know, we're going to start paying you for these channels, fine them for doing that, because they are misleading us, the consumers, to watch their videos. I'm just in a mood to rant today, I guess. And y'all probably don't want to hear that. So I tell you what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna hit back off of here, but before I do, if you happen to be still on here, then you might like some of the stuff I put out and find it interesting or thoughtful to make you think about what's going on some of these videos. And if you do, I really would appreciate any and all help I get by you hitting that like and subscribe button. And although I do not have nobody promoting my videos yet, I don't even have but 2 subscribers at the time of making this video, I will say, drink Pepsi after you drink your amount of water that you're supposed to drink for the day. Drink Pepsi. Pepsi, if you want to promote me, I'm here. Alright, see y'all tomorrow.